Hi everyone. Today for the warm up, I have the vowel sound poster up. I thought that we would do something a little bit different. I'm going to say a vowel sound, and I want you to find and tell me all the pictures or ways to write it. Let's start with A. What are all the long A's? A safe A acorn A. Very good. So we would write that A dash E and just A. Okay, let's try another one. E. What are all the long E's? Pete's a long E, E dash E. Me is a long E. I has a long E and champion. So that would be just an E by itself. Well, that'd be an I by itself, excuse me. And then Y has a long E sound. So all the ways to do long E are E dash E, I, and Y, like in baby. It's important that you know how to write all the ways to do the sounds so that then when you're spelling and learning new rules, you're able to put all of those different things down. Okay, so make sure you've reviewed and looked at all those sounds and said them. Pause if you want more time to practice any. And then we are going to practice a few of the new sounds that we have this unit. Let's take a look at the 4 new green cards. They're all glued sounds. Repeat after me. STLE, castle, soul. TION, vacation, shun. SION, mansion, shun. SION, television, jun. Very nice, everybody. And last but not least, let's review a few sound-alike cards. Let's look at back to Unit 6. Okay, which hi is this? Yeah, like hello, you say hi to someone. Use this hi in a sentence. The buildings are very high in the sky in Boston. And what's this word? By. Which one is it? Like an author. The story was written by Patricia Polacco. How about this buy? I'm going to buy you something with money. And this buy, bye-bye, see you later. What does this word say? Oh, like, oh, I get it. And last one for today. Oh, you owe me some money. Okay, everybody, let's go ahead and do a new word of the day today. It has 3 syllables. Here's my syllable boxes. Can you read me the first syllable? Can you read that to me? Con. What kind of syllable is that? Yeah, it's closed in. So the O says ah. Let's look at the next syllable. Few. What kind of syllable is that? It's open. So the O makes its long sound, and we know sometimes long O says you, and sometimes it says oo. Confuse, it says you. Confuse. And okay, you know what this says. Shun or jeune? What sounds better here? Confusion. Jeune, right? This word is confusion. So let's go ahead and box in the SION that says jeune. Remember, there's no other spelling option for this if I told you to write confusion, because SION is the only way to spell jeune. Okay, what could a sentence be that goes with confusion? What's something that causes confusion for you? Maybe long division, that can cause confusion. A new play on the soccer field or the football field. Okay. Oh, an accident causes confusion on the road. Okay. We'll go with the accident. The space accident created, and it sounds like id at the end of created. It's suffix ed. The accident created confusion. Okay, there's our sentence. As always, with the word of the day, you are going to get your student notebook and find the vocabulary section. And we need to find a C because confusion starts with a C. And on the first line, you write confusion and mark it. And you use these next two lines to write our sentence. The accident created confusion. Pause right here until you finish entering your word. Mark your word with the glued sound and mark the syllables in the sentence. Okay, and if you're back, we are getting close to the end of this unit, so we have another dictation today, and it is on your paper. Okay, so grab the paper, pause if you need more time, and let's get started with some sounds. Repeat after me. U. Write the two ways to do the long U sound. You can look in your notebook if you need to, and when you're ready, check it to mine. U-E like mule, and just U. Okay, number 2, ch. Write the two ways to do ch sound. Check it to find when you're ready. CH and TCH, like catch. Chin. Number 3, shun. Write the two ways to do shun. Two glued sounds. T-I-O-N, S-I-O-N. And number 4, soul. Write the glued sound that says soul. S-T-L-E, like castle. Nice job with all those sounds. Okay, let's go down to do some words. Repeat after me. Crying. What's the base word? Cry. So write the word cry and add the suffix to make it crying. I want you to underline the base word, circle the suffix, and mark up the vowel sound. Okay, there's that rule. If it ends in Y and it starts with an I, the Y just stays. And then we mark the Y sounds like a long I. Crying. Fix it up if you need to. Okay, we're rolling. You guys are doing great. Number 2, juggler. Have you ever seen a juggler? Okay, what's the base word? Juggle. Juggle. And then you need to turn it into a person, so it's juggler. After you do that, scoop the syllables, circle the suffix ending, and label the syllables for me. Okay, take a look when you're ready. Juggler. It is a consonant LE, but there's no E to cross off because it gets dropped. And then we have the ER circle for the suffix. Okay, nice job. Let's do number 3. Ankle. Ankle. Can you mark the consonant LE in it, please? Good, and remember part of marking the consonant LE is to cross off the E. Okay, let's do one more. Fiddle. Fiddle. And mark the consonant LE syllable in that too, please. And when you're done, check it to mine. Take your time to do it yourself first. And once you've done all 4 words, read them. Crying, juggler, ankle, fiddle. Read them until you're smooth. Okay, let's jump down to the sound-alike words. Repeat after, well, listen to the sentence. Which weight is it in this sentence? I want the weight of my Thanksgiving turkey to be 20 pounds. The weight of it. Go ahead and for number 1 in sound-alikes, which weight is that? Go to the student notebook and find sound-alikes to make sure you spell it right. That does matter. And then number 2, oh, I haven't worked out in days. I'm feeling very weak. My muscles are weak. Once you're ready, you can look at the screen and check your work. Weight and weak. Okay, and we're going to go down and do 2 sentences today. Here's the first sentence. James carelessly fell in the puddle. James carelessly fell in the puddle. Carelessly. Pause until you finish the sentence. Okay, if you're back, please check that you started with an uppercase and ended with a period, and point to each word. James, carelessly, Lee, I hear at the end, so you should be having a suffix ending. Lee, fell, there's a bonus letter, in the puddle, consonant L-E. Okay, fix up anything that you think needs fixing and check it to mine. James carelessly fell in the puddle. And one last sentence for today. Tony was fondly stroking his pet dog. One more time. Tony was fondly stroking his pet dog. Keep working. Tony was fondly stroking. Think about the base word and then the rules to add the suffix ending. Okay. Pause until you finish. Check that you started with an uppercase and ended with a period. And when you're ready, you can check it with mine. Okay, let's scoop both sentences and read them smoothly. James carelessly fell in the puddle. James carelessly fell in the puddle. Tony was fondly stroking his pet dog. Tony was fondly stroking his pet dog. Nice job, everybody. Make sure you have everything fixed up. I'll put my book up one more time in case you still need to mark anything or fix anything. You can pause on the screen and finish that up. And that's it for today. See you next time.